Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer, Serenity. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and Starry Blush. And here's Bases Loaded Lacquer, Serenity. This is from the Indiversary collection. Beautiful, beautiful blue. Oh, I love this shade of blue. It's so bright and pretty. I love it. So I'm being a little stingy. I'm still getting used to painting on shorter nails. You know, you got to load the brush up a little differently when you've got little bitty short nubby nubs, which is what I've got, and I'm okay with it. You know, they'll grow back. Hi Woody, how you doing? So this is a beautiful blue, and it's got lots of glitters and shimmer in it. It's not overloaded, which I really like. Gotta get my cleanup brush out here too. But we're going to get this one cleaned up a little bit. And that's just the first coat. So we've got some more to do on this one. Here we go with the second coat. So frosty and wintry looking. I'm loving it. But it's such a bright blue that you could wear it in the summer too. I mean, please. You guys know me. I wear whatever, whenever. So there we go. We got two coats. I'm going to top that with some I&M out the door. It's a little quick dry top coat that I like to use in between my layers. It dries quick and it's thin, and I like that. Cap my free edge here. What little bitty tiny smudge of a bit I can get. And there's a Swatch Photo on its own. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL031, and we'll be using Braves Diva, our Bases Loaded Shutout, my H. La Corsadora scraper, and a cube stamper from Maniology today. Now this one's kind of a little Christmassy, but not totally 100%. So y'all will just have to forgive me. I did have a lot of videos recorded, and they just didn't come out in time for the Christmas holiday. But I don't care. Like I said, I wear what I want when I want. It don't matter. And, you know, trees exist all year round. You just don't normally put a topper on it unless it's Christmas. But we can just pretend. That's a snowflake just hovering above my little tree. I use a piece of tape to get that excess off the stamper. Not that it would have mattered. My nail's not that long, so it wouldn't have ended up on there anyway. And here we go. I'll get into some more of this stamping plate. And I will apologize. You know, if I'd have looked through my videos, I would have posted this one, you know, in a more timely manner. But to me, it's all good. You know, it's all good. It's a manicure. I wore it. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I clean my plate with pure acetone when I get to that point. Now, this is one of my favorite images. You guys that have been around for a moment know that I love some swirly, twirly stuff like this. It makes me happy. I don't know why, but it does. There we go. And one more for the road, right? One more. So I don't know about where you're at, but the day I'm doing this voiceover, I was hoping to be home from work for an icy snow slushy day, but that didn't happen. So it is cold here, so I'm thinking this blue and white manicure is like on the spot for me today, the day I'm doing the voiceover. It's just nasty cold here, like in the teens and stuff. How stupid. Not into it. Can y'all tell? I don't care for winter. I don't. So we're going to clean that plate with pure acetone, and now I'm going to hop over here with my little piece of tape and get some of this excess polish up off my skin. I think that looks really cute. The little pinky nails. Cute, cute. Now hop in here with my cleanup brush and clean up the rest of it. Not much to clean up, really. I'm just going to go in and, you know, touch it up a little bit. Get up under that barely there free edge. Awesome. So now we're going to top it with a Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And look how pretty that is. Didn't smudge it. And once that's totally dry, I'll be using this Sesh Feet to finish this one off. I love it. And I hope you enjoyed this one too. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Tell me what the weather's like where you're at. Always curious. Love to hear. There we go. Gotta get Woody out. There we go. I knew it. I knew he was coming. I could tell. And there's my swatch photo. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.